Good morning, dear students. I hope that you all are fine. Okay. Today we are going to study about prepositions. What do you mean by prepositions? Let us.
What is preposition? A preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relationship to other words in a sentence. I repeat once again. A preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relationship to other words in a sentence. For some examples of preposition: above, across, against, among, around, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, by, in front of, inside, near, next to, on, outside, over, through, under, underneath. There are three types of prepositions. They are preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of movement.
There are three types of prepositions. They are preposition of time, preposition of place, preposition of movement.
What is the preposition of time? These prepositions are used to indicate when a particular event happened. I repeat once again. These prepositions are used to indicate when a particular event happened. These include in, on, at, since, for, during, from, to, by, before, after. For example, I was studying in the morning. What is the preposition in this sentence? In. In is the preposition of in this sentence. In refers to preposition of time like morning, evening, afternoon, night. For some example, I will play football in the evening. I will do homework in the night. Second example, she was born on the 5th of July. On refers to date. It is always we have to use on preposition to indicate date. For some example, I will have meeting on 15th July. School day function will be on the 5th of February. Third example, I will reach there at 6 o'clock. When we can use at? We can use at preposition of time. What kind of preposition? Preposition of time. Some example, I will meet at 6 o'clock. I will get up at 6 o'clock. I will have breakfast at 8 o'clock. I will go to school at 9 o'clock. Next, we are going to see preposition of place. These prepositions are used to indicate the location and come before a noun or pronoun. These prepositions are used to indicate the location and come before a noun or pronoun. These include in, on, between, behind, under, over, near, etc. For example, the cat is on the wall. On is used for preposition of place. Which one is preposition? On. Where is the cat? The cat is on the wall. Then second one, Jenny lives near her workplace. Then third one, Raj is in his room. Then fourth one, the river flows between the banks. Then fifth one, the cat is sleeping under the table. Where the cat is sleeping? The cat is sleeping under the table. Which one is preposition? Under. Under is the preposition of place. Then next we are going to see preposition of movement. These prepositions are used to describe movement. I repeat once again. These prepositions are used to describe movement. These include to, into, towards, through, etc. For some examples, I went to the bookstore. The swimmer jumped into the pool. The dog was coming towards him. We can see the object through the glass. He will translate the matter into English. Look at the first sentence. Which one is preposition? To. To is used for movement and direction. Where the swimmer jumped into the pool, which indicates movement here. Into. In third sentence, towards whom the dog is coming. Towards him. Which word describes the movement? Towards. Through which we can see the object in the fourth sentence. Through class we can see the object. Through is the movement, preposition. Dear students, so far we have seen preposition of time, preposition of place and preposition of moment. I hope that you have understood clearly. In next class, we will see some other things regarding preposition. We will meet in next class, dear students. Thanks for watching this video.